Imagine a future where all of your software workflows ran themselves. You have an AI agent that acts as your project manager, as your developer, as your tester. They make decisions on their own. They fix bugs and deploy your code. Wait, but what are you going to be doing? You're going to be focusing on true innovation. Yeah, and this is not science fiction. It's called Agentic AI, and it's already here. Hi, I'm Edna. Very good to have you here. I help software professionals grow their skills and become more productive by using AI powered tools and workflows. I publish videos every week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out. Agentic AI is a new paradigm shift in automation. They aren't just the usual AI chatbots like ChatGPT. No, they are autonomous entities that they can perceive situations and their surroundings and plan their next move, take action on it, and learn from their surrounding and the feedback. Amjad Masad, the CEO of Replit, recently said at Y Combinator, the value of traditional software is approaching zero. We're entering an age where AI agents will create software on demand, reshape work, and reimagine entire companies. Here's the reason for agentic AI. In the world of engineering, agentic AI means less manual toil and more impact. It doesn't matter whether you're deploying new features or if you're working on running your CI/CD pipeline, doing some triaging some support tickets. It doesn't matter. AI agents can take on any complex multi-step tasks, and the beauty of it is you don't have to babysit them. If you've enjoyed this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, comment, and also share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and subscribe now. It really helps the channel grow, but also to show this content to others who might find it useful. And in return, there are some more pictures of my trip to the beach. All right, let's continue, shall we? Oh, and make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI agent. Here's how an agent actually works. Just like a skilled engineer, it has a reasoning layer. It's basically the brain. It is powered by models like GPT and Claude. It decides based on its surroundings and environment and situation that it's in what action to take next. The next layer that it has, it's called tools. It's like hands. It thinks and it takes action. And the way it does it is like it uses APIs like Google Calendar, Jira, Slack, CI/CD scripts to accomplish its action. Next, it has a memory just like we do. So it can keep track of the history, the context, and what things it's accomplished so far. And after that, the component that's very important and it keeps and glues all of this together, it's called the orchestration framework. Tools like LangChain, Crew AI, or AutoGen. And lastly, feedback loops. Agents check their own work. They retry, they learn, and if it keeps failing, then they escalate, just like a skilled engineer does. Amjad Masad, the CEO of Replit, explained this really well. Here's what he said. We put all of our resources into agents. Suddenly, things that weren't possible before, like continuous autonomous workflows, became real. We went through a tough layoff, but doubling down on agentic AI brought us from 2.8 million to 150 million in annual revenue. All right, next, I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step demo to show you how you can create your very own AI agent. Let's get to it, shall we? let's set up a LangChain with a tool calling agent. I'll start with a minimal environment. I have the instructions on the screen, so feel free to just copy paste, follow as directed. All right, step one, we're going to avoid OAuth friction on camera. So, in this demo, so I'll use a mock calendar email, outbox, and you'll still see the agent plan, call tools, and verify success like it would in production. Just, without connecting to Gmail or Google Calendar. Step two, here, now we're going to create the actual agent. The model can decide which tool to call and in which order based on our instructions. This is where the brains meet the hands. The reasoning model orchestrates the tools we gave it, and the executor actually runs them step by step. All right, step three. We're gonna ask the agent to schedule sprint planning, invite the team, email the agenda, and then verify that the event exists. Step four, we're going to make the agentic part concrete. I'll purposely ask it to verify after acting. So the agent should call verify event exists and only then summarize. This is like having your junior engineer double check their own work before reporting back. That's it. So, just overall, I want to end by saying always make sure you trust your agent, but always verify. Lastly, let's talk about the risks and limitations of AI agents. First one, hallucination. So make sure you don't allow it to push code into production without your supervision. Next one is API costs. Yes, it can add up very quickly because imagine if you're using, OpenAI models or Anthropic models to get their brain running all the time, or these tools like Jira, and you use a lot of API calls, it can easily add up. The third one is security. Make sure that for AI agents, you follow the least privileged permissions. And lastly, over automation. Make sure you don't automate humans completely out of the loop. We need humans to do some supervision and put some guardrails in action so that we can avoid all the risks and limitations of AI agents. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, comment, and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, but also to show this content to others who might find it useful. And now I leave you like I always do with a joke because life is too short not to laugh. With great agents comes great responsibility and hopefully fewer meetings.